Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Devlog video. And last week I skipped uploading the Devlog just because there were not much to show, as half of the week from Wednesday evening till Sunday I was in extreme pain on my right leg and I was on bed rest. I even needed support to even stand up, so I skipped that last week and there were not much to show. I was only able to work for first day or two and then I was on bed. So this week's devlog will be more like an overview of past 2 weeks work and what are the problems came and what I was able to complete in past 2 weeks. With that said, let's begin. Good morning everyone. This is Tuesday and first thing I did was making a list of the items that needed to be completed. Then I moved on working on a small script that automatically extract each skin mesh renderer along with the associated skeleton that will help me to create them as a separate item and associate them with an character customization system, at the same time applying them as an item inside the game. Good afternoon everyone, it's Tuesday and as you guys already know that I have missed last week's devlog just because I didn't had much content last week as I was struggling with my pain on my right leg, and to be honest I am still struggling with it. It is not gone and I am still suffering, but it is much better now, and for today I will just do some light modeling and texturing if it is possible. Good afternoon everyone, it's Wednesday and today I will continue working on 3D modeling the NPCs and also texturing with the same method I used on weapons and which I learned from Flow Graphics. I will link down this channel in the description below. And I think for this week I will continue working on the NPCs as it is going pretty well, and I will complete few NPCs by the end of the week, at least I can hope that. Good morning everyone, it's Saturday and today I will end the week by completing my third monster or completing the 3D model of my third monster and also texturing it. With that will make up the total so that I can populate the first map with NPCs or monsters, and for the second map I have to make around 8 more NPCs. Past 2 weeks have been kind of messy, as for the first week or the previous week I was having my leg pain and I was not able to work, and then after that there were around 16-hour power cuts for a couple of days I guess, or more I believe, that really stopped me from making the videos. But at the same time, last week the character system which I was working on and extracting and everything, that was a good work and big work to be honest. And this week the around 3 models I made I believe of the monsters, and I'm really happy with those because previously I was not able to make any organic 3D models in the past, so that was quite an achievement for me. I hope I will keep on this progress. With that, I will also have to mention that if you guys have $1 to spare, feel free to do so on my Patreon link in the description below. But that's it. See you guys in next week.